Take a look at my Starlink Mini and then the Starlink Mini itself. Pull the front forward, and just like that, the Starlink Mini is ready to go. Hello, my rover friends, and welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today we're going to take a look at my Starlink Mini Pelican case setup, and then we're going to take a deep dive and look at the new bracket that Simon from Powerful UK has made that will allow you to adapt the Starlink Mini to the genuine roof rack. We're going to test it out on the Octa. But before we get to all that, we're going to go through the case. I'm going to show you how I set it up and the parts that I bring along in case you want to do the same. Then we'll decide at the end of the day, did I overspend doing this case or was it the right move? Cue the intro. All right, my friends, first things first, I'm using a Pelican 1500 case with foam. Inside, the first thing I like to do is get my little power cable. I bought this off of Amazon. It is a 12-volt adapter, so I can put it in the cigarette lighter or my Goal Zero pack and plug it directly into the Starlink. That way I don't have to do the inverter to the 120 volts. Underneath the foam is where all the magic happens. Come on and we'll take a look. Right here is the pole adapter. And inside is this. Let's see if I can get it out with one hand. Come on, internet's watching hand. All right, there we go. Inside is the little adapter piece. This is part of Simon from Powerful UK's little kit. Sits in like so. It'll allow you to use the Allen to tighten it down if need be on windy days. There is the roof adapter bracket. I'll show you how that goes on when we go outside to the Octa. And then the Starlink Mini itself just lays in there on the foam. For the most part, nothing super special about the Pelican case other than the foam. I like it because I know the Starlink is always protected. Let's get this outside, install it on the Octopus, and then make our final assessment. First thing we want to do is pick what rail we want to put the adapter on. For this little video, I'm going to use the last one. Take the back of it, hook it, pull the front forward. That easy. One more time. Done. Then we simply take our Starlink, set it on the adapter, positioning it wherever we want it to be. And then once we find that happy spot, you can tighten it down. And just like that, the Starlink Mini is ready to go. I have been using my Goal Zero power pack to run it, but in the future, I'm gonna add a 12-volt socket in there. That way I've got power all the time, ready to go for my little friend. Is the Pelican case a bit of an overkill? Probably. It's big, chunky, heavy. But you know what it is? A Pelican case, and it will protect the Starlink. So when I'm out in the middle of nowhere, God forbid I need to get signal right away, I can trust that my Pelican case has protected my Mini. Did I overpay? Maybe. Does it look fantastic? Absolutely. And that leaves me with one more thing. Be sure to follow for more rover content.